Pero sa pamamagitan ng mga kasama, so dagdag puwersa sa pamamagitan ng mga ibang mayors na miyembro ng Mayors for Good Governance, we will be able to move faster. We will be able to collect more evidence, makatulong yung mga kapwa nating mayors sa fact-finding, sa case build-up, at kung may iba pa silang mga impormasyon na makatulong sa ating Committee Commission. So we are here to help. And again, we thank the ICI for this opportunity to help.
Enzo Recto, kalaban ang katiwalian at kasinungalingan, kakampi sa katotohanan at kabutihan.
Dong, tutok mo lang. Kailangan ganyan mo muna kayo.
Sir, pwede na sir pagpirmahan. Sorry. Okay na. Ginawa na. Kami yung papel.
There are representatives from Mayors for Good Governance, Mayor Jordan Content, for a short message.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Nandito na kami ni Mayor Vicky Soto at syempre ating special advisor si Mayor Kenji Magalong bilang mga leaders ng Mayors for Good Governance upang pumirma ng isang kasunduan kasama po ng ating Independent Commission on Infrastructure or investigation. No? And layunin po nito ay kami po ay nangangako makikipagtulungan sa ICI sa ating pong layunin na managot ang mga kasangkot sa problema ng korupsyon dito sa ating pong bayan, lalo-lalo na sa flood control projects, pero hindi nalilimit sa flood control projects. So one of the commitments of the Mayors for Good Governance is to ensure that all of the mayors na kasama po sa aming samahan ay makikipagtulungan at sila po ay lahat ay inatasan na po namin na magsagawa ng iba't ibang mga investigasyon sa kanilang mga areas of jurisdiction or areas of responsibility, hanapin lahat ng mga proyekto, hindi lamang flood control, pero lahat ng infrastructure projects in the last 10 years that were done by the Department of Public Works and Highways. At ito po ay isulitin dito sa ICI to aid in their investigation. So, Mayor Soto, you wanted to add?
Oh, magandang tanghali sa ating lahat. Early ka na siguro. Nag-email dyan. Tulong ng microphone.
Hindi po.
Muli po magandang tanghali sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat sa ICI commissioners natin, of course, our special advisor for this opportunity. On behalf of the Mayors for Good Governance, of course, with Mayor Benji, with Mayor Joy, and Mayor City as the lead conveners, we are committed to helping the ICI. Una, sa pag-mobilize ng mga kapwa naming mayor, kami po bilang mga individual mayors, syempre limitado yung scope o jurisdiction namin. Pero sa pamamagitan ng mga kasama o dagdag puwersa sa pamamagitan ng mga ibang mayors na miyembro ng Mayors for Good Governance, we will be able to move faster. We will be able to collect more evidence, makatulong yung mga kapwa nating mayor sa fact-finding, sa case build-up, at kung may iba pa silang mga impormasyon na makakatulong sa ating Committee Commission. So, we are here to help. And again, we thank the ICI for this opportunity to help.
We would like to thank Mayor Soto and Mayor Belmonte.
Okay po.
We would like to thank Mayor Soto and Mayor Belmonte for this contribution to our effort as a mandate, to fulfill our mandate. And we are observing now interviews for the commission. But salamat po, Mayor. Salamat po, Mayor Belmonte. And other than the mayors, maybe the media can also help us in towards discovering the truth. So we will just say 2 points. I will just say 2 points. Honesty is the best policy. Right? Honesty is the best policy. And secondly, no one is above the law. No one is above the law. So thank you so much. Salamat.
Bunyog, bunyog, halikan na kasama ka. Bunyog, kapag buklod ay may pag-asa. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, isa ang pananaw. Sa bagong Pilipinas ang bunyog isisigaw. Bunyog.